Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel. And today we're going to be talking about a hike you can take through San Miguel that really brings you through all the different areas of San Miguel's history. Again, if you need more information, the descriptive box below has links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. If interested in a lovely hike in the countryside, my recent hotspot runs the gamut of history and culture from the time of Christ through Mexico's early talkies and then some. It all takes place in the canyon named for revolutionary hero Pancho Villa, just beyond our neighborhood named for saintly French royalty, San Luis Rey. The canyon is bordered by a road that runs behind Las Ventanas golf course and is part of the old Silver Route. The Silver Route was a major north-south trail in the Americas, bringing silver down to Veracruz, then Spain, while bringing European items like letters from home and cast iron beds from the other direction for centuries. Exploring the canyon brings forth three surprises, and the first is just steps in, an ancient hacienda. How ancient I don't know, being unable to find someone familiar with its history, but judging by the stones used in the construction, featuring inlaid sparkles only found in ancient mines, it's been a while. The hacienda focused on bulls, featuring two large bull rings and areas for drinking and grazing. Today you'll find some interesting murals. At the entrance to the bull ring is an announcement stating Joaquin Rodriguez, better known as Gancho, performed here in 1974, a decade before his death. Gancho was a Spanish matador, known for his aesthetic use of a red cape during the golden age of bullfighting. His bull ring successes propelled him in the 1930s Mexican movies during his peak years, highlighting his infamous green eyes. After that, Gancho's performances varied greatly. Sometimes his artistry was at full heights, while other shows were literally horrific, with Gancho being unable to kill the bull. Today you'll hear the expression, "looks like Gancho in Las Ventanas." Ironically, the name of the golf course next to the bull ring he performed at in San Miguel de Allende. The expression is used as a synonymous for doing things horribly wrong in public. Or it can be used to mean exactly the opposite, to have had a flawless public performance. The nickname Gancho he claimed came from his father's family, who were great singers, comparing them to a bird called Gancio. Unfortunately, the name also implies one taking a large and complex bow movement. A short gamble beyond the hacienda ruins are the ruins of two dams. One is particularly impressive, featuring a design that once held a great deal of water, and places an architect implying an aqueduct, not an architect, implying there was a factory of some sort once there. In an effort of full disclosure, when you come to the second smaller canyon area, be aware there are a lot of loose dogs, like the one on the right. I'm not quite sure exactly how friendly they are. Sashaying on, the flora and fauna changes from woods back to semi-desert, and you'll notice to your left the dirt-covered pyramids called Aguas Espinosa, a loose translation for the name of one of the Aztec rulers, according to fellow guide Albert Coffey. From San Luis Rey all the way towards the Totonilco, there were lots of ceremonial ruins from pre-Hispanic times. The pyramids in the canyons were built by the Toltecs that lived in the area from about 1000 BC to 1200 AD. Toltecs felt each mountain had their own deity and frequently built pyramids on mountaintops. Some, like these, are covered over with plants. These look very similar to the 7 pyramids that surround the nearby village of Cruz de Palmar. Others on the south side of San Miguel de Allende are majestic. Still others are just ruins or feature chapels made from the pyramid stones the Spanish had knocked down and reused. The Aguas Espinosa pyramids provide sweeping views of San Luis Rey, the town, the presa, and over to the areas leading out towards the village of Rodriguez. As always, feel free to click subscribe down below, and you'll get notifications of new videos in San Miguel de Allende Secrets as they come out throughout the week.